Hi everyone, welcome to the Java video lecture series. In the previous video, we have seen a switch case, and in that program, we have encountered an error, that is our execution or output is not correct. So we have to learn loop control. So to first understand the loop control effectively, we should have a solid understanding of what is exactly a loop. So in this video lecture we will cover loop. So first of all, go to your package and make a new class. Okay, just go to the package and make a new class. Name this class. For example, I name it loop example. Check the main method. What exactly a loop does is it executes a certain block of code multiple times, and that multiple time is determined by that condition check. Okay, so I just write it. Loop, what it does is execute block of code multiple times, and that multiple times is defined by certain condition. And in loop there are mainly two types of loops, while loop and for loop. Mainly there are two types of loop, while loop and for loop. We will cover while loop in this video, and we will cover the next loop controls or loop in next upcoming videos. So in what happens in while loop is, you syntaxes are like while, you put a condition here as a parameter, condition, and this is a block of code which you want to execute it, and while condition is used when you want to do infinite loop, when you want to execute a certain block of code multiple times. Okay, so and if you do not want to run it multiple times, you can put an exit status by putting a condition. Okay, we will see in operation. Okay, so first let us make a new. Consider we want to make a program to print first 5 natural numbers. Then how can we do that? We have to declare int a is equal to 1, int b is equal to 1, 2, int c is equal to 3, int d is equal to 4, and int e is equal to 5. Okay, and we have to print as by s. So a, and then a, then say a. Okay, and we have to change b, c, d, e. Save it and run it. Here is our result, first 5 natural number. So to do this, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 10 line of code. This is very lengthy. How can we do it effectively? So here the concept of loops comes in. Loop executes a certain number of code multiple times. If you want to print a high 5 times, then how will you do that? Int a is equal to 5, while a is int a is equal to 0, while a is greater than equal to 5. Okay, greater than 5, sorry. Then you want to execute it and say hi. Okay, save it and run it. You haven't got any output because you have put a condition a is equal to 0 and you are passing a value a greater than 0, which is not possible. So make it a less than 5, then it will decrease. Save it and run it. Here you can see that high is running multiple times. So this is called infinite loops. To stop it, click on the red button, terminate. Okay, so we have to put an exit status. So how it will check? Then we have to decrease a, so that a will decrease and check the value of a. Okay, now save it. Main funda is like, first I will go to Sketchpad and okay, so we want to execute a certain number of code 5 times. Okay, so we have to put an exit status for stopping infinite looping. So we have to decrease the value by 1 multiple times. Okay, so how can we do that? We have learned already about it in our decrement operator. So we will use that by value of a is equal to this. Then if we will do a minus minus, then it will decrease the value by 1 each time. Okay, so first of all, go to your editor and like initialize it. A is equal to 5. Now put a condition while a you want to check. Okay, just wait, I will explain it. Okay, a minus minus, sorry, yes, it is okay. So we have declared a variable a is equal to 5 to make the condition here, and now a will be passed to here and it will check whether a is greater than 0 or not. 5 is obviously greater than 0, so it will execute 5 times. First time. Okay, so here first time I, then here it comes, the value becomes 4. Now it will again go to this value, again goes to here to check 4 is greater than 0, yes, then say hi again, then hi, then it comes to here, again the value of a is decreased by 3, then again the loop control, and if the value becomes 0, okay, then it will check 0 is greater than 0, no, then the code will terminate or break out of the loop. So here save it and run it. Okay, save it, and here is our code. One more example, if you want to print first 10 natural number, then how will you do that? It is simple, just like in the for the previous example, int a is equal to 10. Make a condition while a is greater than 0, you want to print that number, that is a, and you have to increase the value. So increase it by 1. Okay, you should have decreased it. Okay, so while 10 is greater than 0, yes, print a, the value will be 10. Then int, again the value becomes 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, node, and the code will terminate. Save it and run it. Here the number is in the reverse order. Your homework is to print it in ascending order. Okay, so do it, or I will tell you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you for watching.